Again everyone, welcome to another toy unboxing review. This time we'll unbox and take a closer look at the Hot Wheels TV Series Batmobile. So this is the 5th car out of that series. This series has 5 cars. So the art is pretty good. That's the Batman Classic TV Series logo at the top. So this is DC license. That's what it says here at the card, and it has a Batman logo here at the side. So if I'm not mistaken, this one is also has a red version. So let's open this one right now. And by the way, if you don't know, I also reviewed another Batmobile car. So I reviewed this one, the Batmobile. So if you haven't checked that one out, please check my video out about this Batmobile. So continuing to this TV Series Batmobile. This one looks like a 1960s American classic car. So I'm not quite sure what car this is. So if anyone knows, kindly comment down below if they copy certain American classic car. Overall details are really good. There's some blue accents here at the back and at the hood of the car. The side has the blue Batman logo. Now it doesn't have front and rear light tempos. In this car, I think this is heavier than other basic Hot Wheel cars, probably because this one is longer. Now it has a plastic base, of course. Doesn't have shocks. It has a cool dome here, and it's open at the middle. This is a 2-seater. Overall, this car looks pretty good, and certainly looks better than this Batmobile. So what are your choices? This one or this one? The TV series Batmobile? Kindly comment below. So it has this, which I don't know. I'm not quite sure what this is. It probably is some type of a weapon. So it has a big exhaust. Pretty cool looking car. Take another closer look at the car. Good details and a really classic looking car. So that's it for my unboxing review of the Hot Wheels TV Series Batmobile. If you like the video, please do like and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification icon. And please also watch my other videos. And remember, I'll be uploading quite often. So that's it. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, keep on collecting. And thank you. Bye.